Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a new video, again with the webcam, alright, because I feel a bit better. Yesterday, to be quite honest with you, was absolutely horrible. It was not great. I slept for most of the day, monitored some trades, but that was it. But right now we're back. I'm trying to get some work in, trying to publish two good videos, or two different videos this afternoon. Just in general, slowly but steadily getting back into it. So today we're starting with Bitcoin. All right, we'll do a full update. I'll tell you what I expect from here. I'll tell you what I think is most likely. Overall, I mean, right now, if you look at Bitcoin like this, and you really zoom in, like I know some of you really zoom in, like you go to the 5-minute time frame, and that's the only thing you look at. But even on the 1-hour time frame, you can see that, for example, we lost the 28 EMA as support, which never really provided support, but in general, it does mean something. And we're kind of moving sideways, all right? So I would say on the 1-hour time frame, we're very much getting into some sort of a consolidation. And then what I usually do is I zoom out and I check the trend. And I think the trend, if you zoom out, is still very much up, all right? It's still very much bullish. It's just that, you know, right now also in the markets, there's not much going on. If you take a look at the Bitcoin dominance, that's quite bullish. So Bitcoin is doing fine, but across the market, I'd be a little bit more careful until we have some real confirmation and some real direction, all right? Because like I said, if you look at Bitcoin like this, like if you look at the open interest, so the momentum, I would still be very bullish on this. I mean, you can see that the open interest, if it's loading, is also still making higher highs, even though there's a bit of a divergence here between price and open interest. Open interest is going up, price is going down a bit. Honestly, in the past, that really could go both ways. But given the fact that I would say Bitcoin fundamentally, with the halving and with positive ETF inflows, fundamentally it's still bullish. And I would say technically, it's also still bullish, all right? So right now we're finding, for example, a lot of support at the 50 EMA. Now, because of the weakness we saw this morning though, even though I do think Bitcoin is bullish, I would not be surprised by a drop down to this level right here at 68,500, all right? There's massive support right here between ultimately 68,000 and 69,000. And right now in general, I'm bullish on Bitcoin, but I think a drop down to that level would actually be, in some ways, it would actually be positive, all right? Because with all the support we have there, maybe we can shake out some positions, drop down, find some strong support, find some strong bidding, and then from there drop back, get back above some sort of a level right here at 70,500. So that I'm not too sure about. I mean, if I look at the momentum right here, I would say it's most likely we'll just from the levels we're at right now. So that's not 68,000, that's 69,700. I would say it's most likely that from here we'll just get a bullish breakout and rally up to the next price target at 72,700. I would say that's the next price target, and I do think we're going there. I'm just not sure, and I'll just be completely honest with you about that. I'm just not sure whether we can do that from these levels and that we have enough momentum from these levels to do that, or that we get a bit of a pullback into this level right here, find enough support here, consolidate a bit, then get a bullish breakout and rally to that level. And honestly, I would prepare a little bit more for this scenario, right? So that we do pull back a little bit further. There's some technical confirmation that's most likely, not much, but all right, it's also a pretty strong level. So usually when you have a technically strong level like that, there's a bit of a magnet to it. So the price kind of pulls down to that level. There's not that much liquidity down there, even though there is some, as you can see, around 68,000. So yeah, it's difficult to say at this point of time, especially since on the very short term there's no clear direction. But I would be most prepared for a bit of a pullback into support, find support there, consolidate, breakout, rally to the next level. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think is most likely. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.